Yeah, we are now into a piggery project here. This belongs to my colleague teacher. He is called Francis Addo. He has 4 female pigs and a male, and they are looking very healthy. They are looking very great. Wow, they are looking very nice. I think this one is pregnant. Yeah, this is the male. This is the male, and these are females. And the other end, they are also females here. So he has 4 females. He has 4 females. They are very friendly. He has 4 females and a male. Wow. When they came first, I think they were not into this size, but then they have developed within time. About this, they are in their 5th month now. They are looking very, very fresh, very, very stronger and healthier. Yeah. Oh, this is show So this is how how to inject the piggery, to prevent them from diseases and also make their immune system stronger. This is how it's done. So they are in the process. Look at this one. It's very wild because it has given birth a few days ago. It's very wild. Into the other cage. Yeah, we have these younger ones too. I think this is the huge piggery farm here inside Pipie. A huge one here. And the owner with the other guys are giving injection to boost their immune. And these are feeds, their feeds. Feeds for the pigs. It comprises of maize, soya bean, wheat bran, groundnut, oyster shell. We have a lot of piggery farms here. Some are really big. The other animals will be crying.